Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best laundry basket. Here are the top 3 laundry basket that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Numyton XXXL Large Cotton Rope Laundry Basket. This laundry basket is a cotton rope laundry basket with 22 by 22 by 14 size and an ultra-large capacity that can fit 20 bath towels. It is soft and has passed FDA's environmental friendly test that makes it non-toxic and safe to hold accessories like towels, clothes, toys, and bedding. This portable accessory has a featherweight and adjustable design that makes it ideal for daily use. It is a BPA-free material that is machine washable with cold water and carries a weight of 3.74 pounds. It is made from 100% cotton without any chemicals or harmful substances, making it perfect for the baby's accessories like clothes and toys. At number 2. OIAHOMY Laundry Basket. This basket is made up of high-grade natural handmade craft and has no sharp edge, which provides a safe playing environment for kids. It is large enough to store bulky items like extra blankets, comforters, duvets, throw pillows, cushions, and stuffed animals. The handles are reinforced by thread stitch, which makes it strong enough to lift, carry, and grasp large baskets anywhere. This basket is made from high-quality materials that makes it soft and durable, with its sizable handles, allowing for convenient carrying of heavy loads. OIAHOMY Laundry Basket is an elastic and foldable equipment which is shipped in the same manner for storage and space efficiency. At number 1. Lifewit Large Laundry Basket. This laundry basket's handle is made from aluminum with a soft EVA grip that makes it very soft and comfortable to use. It has a size of 14.9 by 14.9 by 25.2 inches and a capacity of 72 liters that can hold several clothing items in a single go. Each basket is made of thick double-layered Oxford cloth with PE coating, which makes it durable and crack-resistant. This space-efficient basket has a bin base that can be easily folded for carrying and can be kept in the cabinet or drawer without much hassles. Lifewit Laundry Basket comes in 2 sizes and can be used as a storage option in bedrooms, bathrooms, and living rooms. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.